Hi everyone, welcome to the Case a Card, which means copy and selectively edit. This is a collaboration with 4 of us in it, and the idea is to use a Stampin' Up! Current catalog, pick a card or something in it, and copy and selectively edit. So that might mean, you know, pick a card or something in it and do it the same format, you know, sketch style, but use an entirely different stamp or different color, whatever, however we interpret that card. So let me show you what I picked. I again picked one from Stampin' Up's annual catalog. I'm going to have to turn you up again a little bit. I picked this one on page 33, Relax Your Way, I'll call it. And what I wanted was the wood grain going both directions, almost like a barn or an old structure in the background. I wanted that look. They used the A Good Man stamp set. I don't have that, so wait till you see what I used. I used the Darling Donkey Sale-a-Bration stamp set, only available through February. It's a January-February Sale-a-Bration. It's item code 155264, and you can get this for free if you purchase $50. It'll be like an add-on for free if you select this for a $50 purchase of other items from either the annual or the mini catalog or the clearance rack, or, you know, any combination thereof. We have a January to June mini catalog going on now, which I've done a walkthrough from back in early January, the 5th of January. So anyway, this little donkey is the star of the show, but this little one's on the inside as well. And I did use Hey There Friend and It's Your Birthday. So that's that. And then I also used these dies. I used the 2 larger of these dies. These are from the annual catalog. They are from Hippo and Friends. They're number 153585. I also used one small circle, this one I believe, from the layering circles. They don't call them framelits anymore, and the new number is 151770. I did use Friend Like You, the stamp set just for the dragonflies, the little dragonflies. But I also used the dies that coordinate with them. I don't have the number handy, but it will be linked down below or on my blog by the time you see this. So I used this die here and the dragonfly die there. And let me show you the card. Here it is. Isn't it cute? By the way, all images copyright Stampin' Up. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, so if anyone in the United States is interested in any of the products I show, please click on one of the links down below that says Shop with Me or Join my team now. And if you do place an order under $150, there's a host code you should use. Please use that when checking out. It allows me to get little things like embellishments that I can either send to customers as a thank you, or every now and then here on YouTube I do giveaways on my lives. So yeah. Okay, so let me tell you what I used other than the stamps. This is gray granite cardstock. It is cut 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. This paper, both that and this, are from the annual catalog, and it is in good taste. I just can't even get it on here. It's so big. But there's a lot of different textural type papers in that pack, and I have a lot left. It was like they called it a specialty DSP, I think, because there were more papers than usual in it. I used Early Espresso cardstock here, and I used Whisper White. I don't know if they still have any of that available. They're switching to one called Basic White. But I'm recording this on January 4th, so I don't know what's available as of February yet. This is Old Olive cardstock, and then I did take a soft suede Stampin' Blend alcohol marker to go over the cat o' nine tails and make them a little darker, because theirs looked a little darker. Theirs actually looked much darker. Okay, so this is Magenta Madness ink. I stamped Mr. Donkey here, or Ms. Donkey, whichever, in Early Espresso, but I colored it in dark and light gray granite. And then I just left a lot of it kind of white. This is Magenta Madness and Old Olive Stampin' Blends alcohol markers. This is Magenta Madness, and I stamped with Early Espresso. And then these ribbons, this gold one, it's called Gold. It's more like a woven natural with a gold through it. And they used a different one. They used, I think they used this one from Forever Greenery, which is more like a gauzy type thing. And that's still available, as far as I know, in the annual catalog, if you wanted to use that instead. And then this, anyway, so that came from the mini catalog, part of the Fine Art Floral Suite on page 33 of the January to June mini. It's 154561. And then this is from the Ornate Garden, this Old Olive little piece. Ornate Garden Ribbon Combo Pack 152479. I forget what the other one was that was in it. I think Terracotta Tile, maybe. Don't hold me to that, though. So this, and this are up on dimensionals, and these are glued onto the back of this bottom piece before I put it down with dimensionals. They used, in the catalog, they used stitch circles, it looked like, and a regular circle. But the donkey is a little bit different shape, so I went with those Hippo and Friends dies instead. But I kind of tucked it up under this top one, and then it stuck out a little bit down here, but I figured that was okay because it's sort of hidden with the grassy stuff here. And then on the inside, I just used another piece of Whisper White 5 1/4 by 4, stamped in Magenta Madness. I had two little skinny strips of the paper, this bottom paper left, so I put them top and bottom. And I just stamped the sitting down donkey. Isn't that one cute? Looks like a happy Eeyore. But it's not. Can't say that. So, I don't know how I got that spot on him there. But anyway. So, I think he's so cute. Or she. Whichever. So, hey there, friend. It's your birthday. I thought that came out really cute. So, please do go check everyone else out in the collab. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it, so YouTube's algorithms, you know, whatever, recognize us. It's not a big collab, like I've said before. There's only 4 of us in it, and we kind of are intentionally keeping it small. But we have 2 Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, maybe 3, and 1 who is not, but loves the product, so that's why we're doing this. Plus, it's just a fun thing to do. So on the 5th of every month at 10 a.m. we'll be 10 a.m. Eastern, we will be posting our Case of Card collab cards, and I'm probably just going to do 1 each month. I actually struggled with this in January. I was like, oh my gosh, this is harder. And I've cased cards before, but it was hard picking which one I wanted to do first. And then which one I wanted to do next, and things like that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I'm rambling on again. All right, take care, guys. Have a great day, week, month, year. I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.